Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to start our holiday line activity, and to do that we're going to make some Christmas trees. Now I have a couple different size of trees to start with. Now the larger ones are for if you want to do your paper vertical instead. I'm going to do a horizontal one just so it can fit on my camera a little easier. But pick, one, two, or maybe three different trees. It's up to you. And start by tracing them. So carefully hold it still while you go right around. Does not need to be perfect. And there we go. There's my first one. I can do another one if I'd like. Maybe here. Okay. Now, once you're done tracing them, your next step is to think of at least 5 different lines. And the goal is, once you start on one side, you need to end on the opposite. So for instance, I could do a big wavy line all the way across, from one side all the way to the other side. I can do a zigzag line. Again, from top to bottom. So far I got 2. I could just do a straight line. 3. I'm going to do kind of a curved one here. 4. Again, it just needs to start on one side and go off another side. So I need one more line here. I'm going to do a really bumpy one on the bottom. There. Now, you can always do more than 5, but you need at least 5. That's going to give us lots of different shapes. After that, you need to trade in your pencil for these Sharpies. So please show the teacher. And make sure you have a good Sharpie. And then start tracing all the lines. Try your best to stay on top of them, but it's fine if you miss a little bit. But take your time, don't forget any lines, get them all. This will help us see each shape a little bit better once we add color. Again, remember, if you notice that your Sharpie's not giving you a dark line, please show the teacher and trade it in for a different one. So we want this to be a nice dark outline. Okay, I got 2 more lines. Okay, and then my last one here. Now, once you are done tracing them all, put your cap on your marker and return that to the middle table. Show the teacher one more time, and then you will be ready to use those special construction paper crayons and metallic crayons to start coloring them in. Now your goal here is to use as many different colors as you can and to try to color in each space a different color. So take your time. Do not just scribble because you don't want to leave white spaces. Slow down. We'll be working on these more than one visit. And try your best to color it in all very nicely. Now I'm going to pause there and show you one that I've already started so you can kind of get an idea. But I would continue now adding color to it. So you can see how I fill up the whole tree. Now it's okay to use the same color, just don't use them next to each other. Space them out. And then continue to color it in until you get it all colored in like this one here. You can see it's really kind of neat. And if you do space out your colors, you'll be able to see your trees when you're all finished. Okay, have fun. Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget to flip it over and put your name on it with pencil so we know whose is whose the next visit. Thanks. Have fun, guys.